Well, some of us forget the importance of exfoliation and move on directly to cleansing and moisturizing. Well, that's not right because exfoliation is one of the best steps that you could include in your skincare regime because it helps exfoliating the topmost layer of your skin, which has dead skin cells. And I make it a point to exfoliate my skin regularly with the Mom's Co's Green Tea Detox Scrub Set, which has a gel-based face and body scrub that scrubs away dead skin cells, dirt, and dullness with seeds gentle enough even for sensitive skin. And I just love the fragrance of this one. Now let me show you how this has become an important part of my daily routine. First, I gently massage the natural green tea face scrub on my freshly washed face. One quick expert tip. For effective exfoliation, make sure your face isn't very wet but just about moist for the scrub to move around and not too wet for it to slip off. This green tea face scrub has volcanic black sand and thagwa nut that reduces the appearance of pores, controls extra sebum and acne, and it also has aloe vera that soothes and hydrates skin, leaving it soft and moisturized. Then I use the green tea body scrub on a damp skin, starting with my shoulders and upper body and then move down to my legs. This scrub has volcanic black sand, apricot seed and vitamin C that helps in hydrating the skin, controls extra sebum and acne, helps in repairing skin damage and gently detoxes the skin, giving smoother and brighter skin. The one thing I love the most about this scrub is that it is non-drying and it doesn't irritate our skin. The reason for this is that it is gel-based and has perfectly round-shaped beads which are very gentle on our skin no matter how sensitive our skin is. Well, that's not it because the Momco has two variants in it. One is the Coffee Cranberry Skin Polishing Set, which helps in reducing tan, cellulite, and also controls acne. Whereas this is the one which I use, which is a Green Tea Gentle Detox Set. This helps me smoothen my skin, it helps in controlling extra sebum production, it also hydrates my skin. So that is why I use this one. Well, I love the fact that all of their products are natural, they're safe, toxin-free and dermatologically tested. Now, if you wish to have skin like mine, definitely give the Mom's Co face and body scrub range a try. And who doesn't like a 20% off? Get a 20% off by using the code ERICA20 when you are purchasing your products on their website. Go grab yours now.